Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Dr. Muhammad Siklian Zahir and today our topic is hand tool and tillage implements and their uses in agriculture. So first of all, hand tools. These are usually light and are used without the help of animals and machines. The following are the basic hand tools used in agriculture for crop production. First is crowbar, pickle, mattock, rake, sickle, shovel, water pole, light hoe, handle cultivar and hand cultivar, axe, knife, sprinkler, wheelbarrow, bolo, pruning sheet, sprayer and sprinkler. These are the hand tools. First of all, what is crowbar? This is used for digging hole and for digging out big stone and stumps. This is crowbar. Next is the pick mattock. This is used for digging canal, breaking hard topsoil for digging up stones, trees and stems. Next is the rake. It is used for cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. Next is sickle. It is the hand tool with a variously curved blade typically used for cutting of the weeds. And next is the shovel. It is used in removing the trash, digging losses soil, moving soil from one place to another, and for mixing soil media. Next is a light hoe. It is used for loosening the soil around the growing area. Next is the hand cultivator. It is used for the cultivating the garden plot by the loosening the soil and removing of weeds. Next is the axe. Axe it is used for cutting bigger size post. And next is the knife. It is used for cutting, planting material and for performing other operations in horticulture. And next is sprinkler. It is used for watering, seedling and young plants. Next is the water pail. It is used for hauling water, manure and fertilizers. Next is the wheelbarrow. It is used for moving lightweight items such as fertilizers, manure, plants, seeds, waste material and other things around the field. Next is a sprayer. It is used for spraying and pruning shears. Pruning shears are also called the pruning scissors. They are sharp, heavy, dusty scissors that are used for cutting the branches of the tree and plant stem. Next is the sprinkler. This is simply a tool for watering the water. Next is the bolo. This is used for cutting tall grasses, weeds, and chopping off branches of the tree. And what is a tillage? Tillage is a mechanical manipulation of the soil to provide favorable conditions for crop production. Soil tillage consists of breaking the compact surface of the earth to certain depth and to loosen the soil mass as so as to enable the roots of crop is to penetrate. So this is that tillage. Next is the what is the objective of tillage? We can it is tillage is done to obtain the deep seed bed suitable for different types of the crop, to add more humus and fertility to soil by covering the vegetation, to destroy the weeds and to for proper growth of the plant. It increase the water absorbing capacity of the soil and destroy the insect pest breeding places and reduce the soil erosion. There is the two types of the tillage: primary tillage and secondary tillage. Primary tillage it constitutes the initial major soil working operation. It is normally designed to reduce soil strength, cover plant material, and rearrange aggregate. The operations performed to open up any, any cultivable land for growing crops is known as primary tillage. And next is secondary tillage. Tillage operation following primary tillage, those are performed to create proper soil tilth for seedling and planting are secondary tillage. Next is the type of the tillage. There is minimum tillage, strip tillage, rotatory tillage, mulch tillage, and combined tillage. Minimum tillage with the word we can say the minimum tillage means the minimum tillage we can grow, we can done the tillage operation in a very minute or minimum quantity. This is the minimum soil manipulation necessary for to meet the tillage requirement. Strip tillage, it is the tillage system in which only isolated bands of soil are tilled. Rotatory tillage, it is tillage operations employing rotatory action to cut, break and mix the soil. Next is the mulch tillage. It is the preparation of the soil in such a way that plant residue or mulching material are specially left on or near the surface. Next is the combined tillage. Operation simultaneously utilize two or more different types of the tillage tools and implement to simplify, control, and reduce the number of operations over the field are called combined tillage. Next is the how we can this is the primary tillage. This is a primary tillage implements include disc plow, chisel plow, subsoiler, mold broad plow, and secondary tillage implements are disc harrow, bar harrow, tine cultivator, and rotavator. This is the disc harrow. It has some function as those of for plowing, but disc plow is preferred to stony, rocky, and sticky soil. Next is the chisel plow. It works in hard pan. It goes up to a depth of 25 to 38 centimeter. In arable soil, the chisel plow has been considered to be the best to overcome the problems of the problem of runoff. Subsoiler. It is identical in the shape of chisel plow except to that the single shank in is used. It works up to the depth of 100 centimeter. It goes much deeper. Next is a mold broad plow. It is used to cut and break the soil. It is used to lift and turn the soil. To some extent, it is also used to pulverize the soil. Next is the disc harrow. It is similar in shape as disc plow except they are smaller in size. The concavity of disc harrow is less as compared to the disc plow. Next is the bar harrow. It is a spike tooth bar harrow. There are spike tooth bar harrow and spring tooth bar harrow. Spine tooth bar harrow, it consists of a section of which width is usually from 1.5 to 2 meter, and but spring tooth bar, it consists of the section on which curved bar are mounted. The thickness of the curved bar is 0.25 to 0.50 inches. Next is the field cultivator. It is just like chisel plow, except that it is a light in construction. It goes to the shallow depth. It breaks clods and pulverizes the soil. If narrow tines are used, the soil between tines is skipped. Therefore, a greater or no of operations are required. The implement does not invert the soil. Sweep cultivator. It is just like a narrow tine cultivator, but instead of narrow tines, sweep shovels are used With the use of sweep shovels, no soil is skipped. So, thank you. This is enough for today.